Okay, how to set up authentication, blah 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 blah. Okay, go to your account, click manage your account, and click security, and click detail, say detail, and click setup verification, to setup verification, and click authentication application, and no, to certification, yes, click here, enter the password, my password, and I click pause. Yes, click my password, next, and click authentication application. Yes, change authentication application. Yes, change das code bar and click your phone, open your phone and open the authentication that you download for Google Play or iOS for iPhone, and you get your phone to scan the code bar, and you have a code, and you write a code, and it's easy. And next time when you open Google, automatically you open the application from your mobile, and it's easy. You type the code that it's affixed in your mobile. It's easy. That now I can't open my mobile and change the password and the all things. It's easy, and saying thanks and comment. That's all. Thank you.